Hey guys, it's me again, and we are going to be doing day 5 of Advent of Cyber 3 2021 edition. If you haven't seen the previous video, this one, we make sure to click the link that pops here and go ahead and watch that one first. Anyway, let's get started. So we are still in web exploitation, and the name is Pesky Elf Forum. Story. The Elf Forum is where all the elves express their joy and excitement about Christmas. But Grinch Enterprises has one bad admin account, and they have installed a plugin that changes all mentions of Christmas to Buttmas. Max Skitty needs to find that admin account and disable the plugin. Learning objectives. What is an XSS vulnerability? What type of XSS vulnerabilities are there? Challenge walkthrough. So what is XSS vulnerability? Cross-site scripting, better known as XSS, is the cybersecurity community. In the cybersecurity community, is classified as an injection attack where malicious JavaScript gets injected into a web application with the intention of being executed by others. If you get JavaScript to run on a victim's computer, there are numerous things you can achieve. This can range from stealing the victim's cookies to take over their session. Running a keylogger that will log every key the user presses on their keyboard while visiting the website, redirecting the user to a totally different website altogether, or performing some kind of action on the website, such as placing an order or resetting their password, etc. What type of cross-site scripting vulnerabilities are there? Cross-site scripting vulnerabilities fall into 4 different types: DOM, reflected, stored, and blind. Each type is quite a complex subject, which we'll try and cover briefly here, but to gain a more in-depth understanding, you might want to try this room after completing the challenge. TryHackMe room XSSGI. I think I've done that one. Has I? I has not. Cool. DOM stands for Document Object Model and is a programming interface for HTML and XML documents. It represents the pages so that programs can change the document structure, style, and content. A web page is a document, and this document can be either displayed in the browser window or as the HTML source code. DOM-based XSS is where the JavaScript execution happens directly in the browser without any new pages being loaded or data submitted to the backend. Execution occurs when the website JavaScript code acts on input or user interaction. An example of this could be a website's JavaScript code getting the content from the window.location.hash parameter and then write that into the page onto the page in the currently being viewed section. the contents of the hash aren't checked for malicious code, allowing an attacker to inject JavaScript of their choosing onto the web page. Reflected cross-site scripting happens when users supply data in an HTTP request is included in the web page source without any validation. An example of this could be an error message, which is a query string of a URL that is reflected onto the web page. The URL could look something like the following. The error message could be replaced with JavaScript code, which gets executed when a user visits the page. Stored after the name and first, the XSS payload is stored on the web application in a database, for example, and then gets run when other users visits the site or web page. This type of XSS can be particularly damaging due to the number of victims that may be affected. An example of this could be a blog that allows visitors to leave comments. If a visitor's message is not properly validated and checked for XSS payloads, then the subsequent visit of the blog page would run the malicious JavaScript code. Blind XSS is similar to stored XSS in that your payload gets stored on the website for another user to view. But in this instance, you can't see the payload working or be able to test it against yourself first. An example of this could be a contact form. In the contact form, your message could be containing a XSS payload, which when a member of staff views the message, it gets executed. Challenge walkthrough. Click the green machine. Bloop. Start machine button on the top, blah, 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 and give it a few seconds. So I guess Hey guys. Sorry to disturb the video, but if you're liking this video so far and would like to support my channel, please go and check out my store. If you don't find anything you like from my current selection, feel free to let me know and what you would like to see, and we'll try to add it as soon as we can. Thank you again, and enjoy the rest of the video. We gotta go into this thing once it loads. Here you'll find the Elves forum, where they talk about and spread the joy of Christmas. As you explore the forum and click on the different topics and threads, you'll notice that every mention of Christmas has been changed to Buttmas. This is because the Grinch has an admin account and has installed a plugin that changes every mention of Christmas to Buttmas. You'll need to take over the Grinch account and disable the plugin to restore the Christmas joy. Okay. So here we are. Let's log in as Max Giddy. The password is password. Not great. All right, so let's go here. And it tells us to change our password to that and to look up here. And it says that it's showing us the password and it's changing it. So I guess if we, I don't know. So I'm gonna copy that. And we are going to go here. No. But miss dinner. I guess we just have to add something. Let's go to visit one of the threads. So you scroll to the bottom. So I guess let's go to general and let's do hello world. So what we're trying to do here is we're trying to see if by leaving a comment like this, if this gets executed or not. It shouldn't get executed. It should get sanitized and these should get removed. But let's see. As we can see, we can actually leave code there. So we can actually type in a script in here. Let's see what they want us to do. So we want to fetch the URL that we just went to and change so that we can trick the Grinch into changing his password to 123. So I'm gonna just copy this. After posting the above as a comment, you could view the web page source to see whether it has shown correctly. The screenshot below shows us that the script tags aren't being stripped out or disabled and in fact are working. So what we could just do is we can view page source or inspect. And it should be the last one. And it's right here. This is the thing that we put, and it is leaving the that script there. So whoever goes in here, it's gonna change his password to, oh, I just put it again, to that. So let's see what else. Now that we have this XSS running on the forum, it means that any logged in users viewing the thread will automatically have their passwords changed to pass123. So let's log out and see if the Grinch has visited the forum. So log out and let's log in as the Grinch. and use pass 123, and oh, look at that, we are in. So let's go back to settings, and we can see here that this is the plugin that he had. So let's disable that. And it says, brilliant, the plugin has been disabled and joy has been restored to the forums. Boom. That was pretty cool. All right, no more butt miss. All right, so we have completed successfully another day of Advent of Cyber 3 2021. So hopefully you guys liked the video. Hopefully you guys learned something about cross-site scripting, and yeah, if you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this or other videos similar to this, hit that subscribe button, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. If you have any suggestions of what I should make, let me know in the comments below, and I will add that to my to-do list if possible. So yeah, if you guys want to see anything else, there should be something popping up now for you guys to choose where to go next. But thank you again for watching my videos and for hanging out. I'll see you guys next time on day 6. So have a great day, and I'll see you soon.